Hold on. Start your bullshit now.
Listen, I'm not like my dad. Badly, when I come to Zimbabwe, I feed everybody. I take care of everybody. Robert Mugabe, he did that country so evil. I take over his spot. I'm from Canada, Jane and Finch, eh? Don't forget about me, I'm coming to Zimbabwe. I don't speak Shona, but I will royal.
You don't speak Shona?
I don't speak Shona. I just want Shona.
But you are in Mfako, so you don't speak Shona.
I've been to Mufakos, I watch cable there, I ate good food, but Jane and Finch, I'm coming to Zimbabwe, and we're gonna glow. I don't like Canada. I'm gonna come back to my motherland. We're gonna make all this money. $10,000 in return to $1 million.
Are you gonna make the money when you got no money yourself? Show me the money.
Show me the money. Hey.
Show me the money. Show me your money. Nigga, show me your money. What was that? $20 bills? $20 bills? And that's what you call money?
Hey, this is what I use to buy drinks for my dad. This is my pocket money.
And that's what you call money? That's what you call money in Canada?
This is pocket money. Hey, in Canada, this is pocket money. Look, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. That's 350. That's 4. 20, 40. That's 5.
That's $500, right?
$700.
Let me see those $100 bills.
$100 bill. This is going to his godson. Minox's godson. This is his money. My son. I can't touch this. So this is going to my red pockets. Hey, listen. You see my name? Shafuzika. I never disrespect my father. This is my gambling card. Hey. My passport. My driver's license.
Whoa.
Shafuzika. I will not disrespect my culture. Not
Too much
time.
Names on that.
My dad was drunk when he gave me my name.
Now it's your mother, man. He gave you like 6 million names. How many names you got? Like 7 names.
Marcus, Samuel, Joseph, Mugovi, Chafuzika, Mukrani. Like, proud African, man. You know my girlfriend? Hey, Mike, come here.
Yo, come here, man.
Come. No, come.
Come here, I'm making a video of you.
She's making a video. She's gonna send it back home. Look, my girlfriend.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
One of many girlfriends. One of many, but she's my main one. Give me this. Rub my belly. Rub my belly. Rub my belly. You see? I'm coming to Africa. Rub my belly. Chafuzika.
So you're gonna go to Africa and say Zviri Kufaya. Just say Zviri Kufaya.
Zviri Kufaya.
Yeah. Po. Yeah, Vedzera futhi.
What is it?
Yeah.
Hey, shout out to my daddy, you know? No hard feelings. This is his son right here. Marcus. My girl's not around, but he'll be around too. We're coming to Africa. Me and my girl.
But they don't know that. They think I don't have no kids. That's the problem with these motherfuckers. You get me?
Hey, this is my daddy. Been through a lot, but I'm here. God don't give you more than you can handle. We're going to take over. He owes me. We're going to come to
I don't owe you. I don't owe you shit. I gave you life. I gave you life.
We're going to come to Zimbabwe. Glow. You guys pay homage. Glow.
Yeah. I gave you life.
Tell him glow.
Glow. What's glow?
That means shine. That means be prosperous.
No, but because you stopped selling drugs, that's why everything's shining for you. You know what I mean?
Oh, I only stopped selling a couple drugs.
you stopped selling drugs. When you used to sell drugs, you were in and out of jail. Isn't that so?
Yes, that was so.
How many jails have you been to?
About 2, 3.
3 jails. And you got shot.
Yeah. Right there, man. Yo, get the camera close right
here. Yeah, they just got the bullet off. When?
About 3 days ago, man.
Yeah, when you got shot, 2009, right?
Man.
So they should know that it's not about bragging or boasting, but it's reality. You know what I mean?
This is really me, man. Zimbabwe to Toronto. Toronto to Zimbabwe. all day, every day.
But
I love my people back home. I know they leave us starving, but I'm different. I've been back home when I was 9 years old, and I'm trying to come back there. And I miss my people. We're gonna sound Silverstone sound. Everything. We're gonna make money, be prosperous. And you see me, my belt costs $500 right now. I don't want to be bragging boasting. This is Ferragamo. You guys in Zimbabwe, Google it in Zimbabwe. Google it.
Not in Zimbabwe, man. In Zimbabwe they have it. The UK guys should Google it.
Google it in Zimbabwe. Ferragamo, real team. This.
What is it?
Ferragamo. Google this in Zimbabwe.
Yeah,
Ferragamo.
you got your
Gucci. See my female? Gucci.
Yeah,
Gucci.
You guys all have the money, but I ain't got no Gucci there.
My girl, see, she's from Jamaica. We're gonna come to Zimbabwe. She's gonna get a lot of clothes. We're gonna be shining like the Americans. Look, I look better than an American. Look at me. Take a close look at my baby picture. My dad gave this to me. I'm gonna wear this until I die. I'm gonna give it to my son. Shout out to Zimbabwe. I love you guys out there. They left us, and we know what's going on in the Western society. One love.
Africa.
Alright, thanks very much. You've been so kind. But you're gonna stay black until you die. This motherfucking Scarborough. You fucking from the west side, we're from the east side. We are from the east side, you're from the west side.
East, west.
Jane Finch all day, baby.
East,
Yeah, Scarborough
I'm a
all
real
day.
nigga too, don't get it twisted, bro. That's my dad, he can't believe this shit, but I'm a real nigga too, don't get it twisted. Bro.
Yeah, but there's some niggas who think they're more niggas than I.
I handle my business, nigga. Remember my face, I ain't no joke around nigga. Don't think this is all camera shit. I'm a real nigga, bro. I swear to God, bro. Don't fuck around, man. My mama know it. Now my dad is seeing it, man.
I don't see nothing, man. I hear things.
You hear things, man.
I hear things. I don't want to see your shit, man. I seen your shit when you're a baby. I don't see shit. Don't see shit, right?
I'm a certified nigga. Zimbabwe all day. Harare hustler.
I'm a gangster where I come from.
Where you from?
Where you from? Hey, girl.
Jamaican, West Indies.
No, in Toronto.
Jane and Finch.
Where Jen Finch?
Jumpwood.
Who's your mommy?
Sandra Bashman.
Yeah, right. Sandra Bashment. For real.
Where she know? Agaza she from, man.
Agaza. Gaza. Why you don't bleach?
Come and love me and Christine.
No, she bleaches her toes.
You bleach?
She bleaches her toes.
For real?
Because of corn.
See, her corns get black and she bleaches them.
So you bleach your toes? Rasclat. Oh, your sister. Warm to you. Yeah.
That's exactly how I talk to you.
Yeah, man, this is a good look still. You know, I'm going to cherish this moment. This is a good
Cherish
look.
this moment, man.
It's a couple years. Couple years I haven't seen this
It's been a
fucking
couple
guy.
years since you never seen me, man. I've been through some real shit.
Since Born died. That's last time I seen him.
2008.
Yeah, almost 5 years ago.
5 years. 5 years.
Fucking
My
guy.
dad's like, what do you want to do? You want to move to Zimbabwe? Do you want to go to Calgary? I'm like, no, I'm staying here.
Fucking guy was wanted by fucking ninjas in this fucking country, man.
Jane and Finch were taken.
I don't even tell her that shit, bro. I don't even tell her that
Oh,
shit.
so don't tell him, man.
Don't tell her.
She shouldn't know.
She shouldn't know.
We're taking over Jane.
If anything, I'm a joker. I make jokes.
Yeah.
But yeah, shout out to Zimbabwe. I swear to God, bro. My peeps, if you all there, this is my dad right here, Mad Minox. You know, he has my little girl's not around right now. I have a little son. He's turning 2 in a week or 2. He's gonna be out there in Zimbabwe, and we're gonna start businesses out there and take over, bro. Fuck Western society, bro. We Africans, we can't change who we are, bro.
Tell them.
We can't change who we are, man. No matter how hard we try, we can't change who we are, man.
So you're ready to go to Zimbabwe, though?
I'm ready. I'm going to.
Tell me how much you're ready to go.
I'm gonna make about 5,000 to reach there next week.
And then she sees too. Yo, listen, in Zimbabwe, you guys are wearing paper bags. We'll make you guys wear white t-shirts, man.
You're too rude.
I ain't rude. I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm one of you guys, but I know I want
tell
better.
them
I want better. You can get
all
better.
right, tell them where I brought you before.
Oh, Harare.
And where else?
Mozambique.
No. Where are that?
Mopako.
And European country I took you to.
You took me to England.
Yeah,
England,
London.
London, England.
London.
I shit myself on the plane.
Yeah.
I didn't tell him I wanted to shit. I just shit myself. My bro was crying, saying he wanted to go home. You know, I had a whole bunch of money. I'm Canadian. I went to Africa and I never ate African food once. I just wanted to take out breakfast and money. But
I was buying you takeout chicken in every fucking day, man.
Every day, man.
These motherfuckers couldn't even eat sadza. You know, 10 corn meal. They couldn't eat that, man.
Shout out to my grandma. She loves sadza. My mom's from Zimbabwe too. So don't get it twisted.
Your grandma is dead. Your grandfather is dead.
My mom's mom is from Zimbabwe, and she took care of us. And my mom is from the States, and my dad's from Africa. I'm full blown African, bro. Don't get me twisted.
No, they didn't hear that. Tell them where your mom is from.
My mom is from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, bro. Don't get it twisted.
Right.
And her mom is from Zimbabwe, and her dad is from Zimbabwe. My dad is from Zimbabwe. My ancestors are from Zimbabwe. Do not get it twisted, man, for a minute. I look handsome and stuff, yeah, I know.
You took it from me, man. I'm the handsome one.
I look handsome,
I'm the handsome one.
Yeah, I'm African, full African, you know what I'm saying? And I'm proud of being there. I wasn't at first, man. People making fun of my last name and stuff, but I'm proud of being who I am right now. I grew up to be a good man.
No, they didn't hear that again. People were making what?
People making fun of my last name
all day. Making fun of your last name.
Making fun of my last name all day, man. In Canada and Toronto. So I want to give back to you guys, man. We gonna come, remember my face, man. Yeah, we ain't gonna laugh all day. We gonna make money and we gonna build our country from the ground up, man.
All right. Peace out. Thanks very much. Much love. Hey, Colin. Much love, yeah?
Give her the glow. She wants to go to Africa. If I show you guys the text when she'll send me, she's like, I want to go to Africa.
All right, peace out, y'all.
Peace out, right?
I'm gonna put this tonight.
Put it on Instagram. Put
on YouTube.
Put this on YouTube tonight, man.
Tonight.
You know what I'm saying? Forgiveness, man. I don't hold no feelings, bro.
Close for everybody.
I only got one dad, and that's that motherfucker right there.
Close for everybody.
This is Scarborough motherfucker. He's not Jennifer. This is Scarborough motherfucker.
Jennifer John Day, man.
All right.
East to the west.
East and west are together, man. We don't deal with north and south.
Get on the camera. Why don't you get on the camera?
All right, cool.
You recording?
Done, man.
All right, man.